Hey there, so if your COWSAR ice maker is not working, what you can try to like make not making ice. So first, there are two things that you can try. The first thing is completely unplug it for about like let's say 5 minutes, then you're gonna plug it back in. This is the first thing to try. Maybe it's going to fix the issue. If not, you can try to clean it. Maybe it's going to work then. So there is also in manual, I'll just read it to you. Is so before the cleaning procedure, please make sure the water drain cap has been inserted into the appliance. So water drain cap, you want to have it there, otherwise it won't work properly. Press on and off button for 5 seconds. The ring indicator light flashes white. It will run cleaning procedure for 15 minutes and automatically exit. And you want to press this button again during the cleaning procedure and it will exit immediately. After the cleaning procedure, remove the top cover and the ice basket, rinse the main water reservoir and the secondary water reservoir, then move the appliance to the edge of the desktop. Make sure that the appliance is placed steady. Place a water container on the appliance. Remove the drain cap from the bottom. Dirty water will drain the water container, then reinsert the drain cap. And maybe this is going to also like fix the issue for you. I hope it does. And if not, there is also like guides on how you can like cleaning, sanitizing it. But these two things could probably help you. So have a great day and goodbye.